Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Live Flow Grow. My name is Christina and welcome to my how-to tutorials. In today's video, I want to share with you 3 breath cleansing techniques. They're called Kriyas. The Kriyas in yoga, they cleanse and purify the physical and the energetic body. In today's practice, I want to share with you pranayama, a breath technique, and movement. We're going to build heat in the body, and then we will try to cleanse the body as moving the heat up and out. For today's practice, you're going to need your mat. You can use a block or a cushion or a blanket to sit on something comfy, and your water. Let's not waste any time and go straight for the tutorial. The first Kriya is called Kapalabhati, or breath of fire. This pranayama has energizing, purifying, and cleansing effect on your energetic body. It stimulates the reproductive system, the reproductive organs, the digestive system, the digestive organs, boosts the immune system, the cardiovascular, and the respiratory system. So for this Kriya, I want you to take a comfortable seated position with the shins crossed in front of you, sitting on your heels, sitting on a blanket or a cushion. Place the hands on your knees, close your eyes and ground down through your sitting bones. Lengthen through the crown of the head. And we're going to take 5 deep breaths here just to arrive on our mat for our practice. Ground down through your sitting bones. Connect to your inner body. Slowly blink the eyes open. We're going to place the hands on the low belly. For this breath technique, you will have to be able to move your hands with your low belly. So we're going to start with that. We're going to start with creating the mind-muscle connection. So place the hands on the low belly, and I want you to breathe all the way down into your hands. Take a deep breath in. Expand through the low belly, move your hands away from you. Exhale, squeeze the low belly in towards the spine. One more time. And squeeze. Take a deep breath in. Expand, move the hands away from you. Squeeze, bring the hands in. Squeeze the low belly in towards the spine, navel to spine. One more time. Last one. Good. If this is too challenging for you, if you're just a beginner and this is your first time doing this, I invite you to stay here and just to practice the mind-muscle connection between your low belly and your hands, moving your low belly with your breath. If you can do that, the next step is to place the hands on your shins. Kapalabhati, it's done by forcefully exhaling, so forcefully squeezing the low belly in towards the spine and naturally soft inhaling. So we're going to take an inhale, slow, filling up the low belly, and exhale, snap the abdominal in, and forcefully exhale all the breath out of your low belly. One more time. One more time. Squeeze the belly in. Inhale, squeeze. Exhale, squeeze in, snap your abdominal in towards the spine. And release. I'm just gonna change the cross of my legs. Okay. So we're gonna do this a little bit faster this time. A natural breath to reset the body. And we're going to take a deep breath in through the nose. Exhale, squeeze the abdominals in. One more time. Keep snapping the low belly in. Allow the inhalations to happen naturally and force the exhalations out. Feel the heat created in your low belly. Keep snapping the low belly in. Moving with your breath. Ten more times. 10. Exhale all the way down. Get all the air out. Squeeze the low belly in. Stay here. Inhale deeply. Feel the low belly in. And exhale. One more time. Take a deep breath in. And we're gonna stay with the belly full. Good. Exhale, snap the belly in. And stay here without breath. And release. Start with 30 seconds, then progress to a minute, then minute and a half. My advice is to really pick up the speed. The goal here is to create heat in the low belly, and with the next Kriya, we're gonna move that heat up. Okay, so the next Kriya is spinal flexion. So we're gonna move the heat up. So spinal flexion is, think about cat and cow stretch. So on an inhale, you arch the spine, send the heart up. And on an exhale, you round the back, pull the belly in. The movement should happen from your thoracic spine, basically the middle. Take a comfortable seated position again. Sit on your shins, a block, a cushion. Place the hands on your thighs. When we flex the spine up and away, we will move the hands, we'll freely slide them on our thighs. So take a deep breath in, open the heart up, send the heart up, roll the shoulders back and down, and exhale, round the back, pull the belly in, let your shoulders roll. We're just warming up the spine here. Let the shoulders roll, one more time, and let the shoulders roll down. Come back to neutral spine. And we're gonna start at the spinal flexion. So inhale, arch the spine, exhale, round. Inhale, arch, exhale, round. You can even have the hands up higher if you wanna move a little bit faster. I want you to close your eyes here and not think about the shape, just think about the movement and the breath. Again, forcefully exhaling through the nose. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the movement of my spine. Allowing the hands to glide on your thighs as you arch and round your spine. Squeeze the low belly, keep the breath out. Find neutral spine. Inhale, fill up the whole belly in. And exhale. One more time, take a deep breath in. And exhale through the mouth. One more time, take a deep breath in. And exhale out the mouth. Okay. The same thing with this Kriya. Start with practicing it for 30 seconds. Then increase for like a minute. Pick up the speed, move with your breath. Go inward when you do that so you can really feel the sensations in your body and move the way your body needs and feel like it should be moved. And the last Kriya, it's a spinal twist. So place the hands on the shoulders. Open the heart up. Find a comfortable seated position. With this Kriya, all that heat that will build in the low belly, we moved it up into our lungs and our chest. With this Kriya, we're just gonna get it out of the body. This Kriya is really more dynamic, but at the same time, it's really calming for your mind. So place the hands on the top of the shoulders. We're gonna turn to the left and we're gonna inhale through the nose. We're gonna turn to the right and we're gonna exhale through the mouth. It's really audible breath on the exhalation. And with the time, I really want you to go really deep into those exhalations. So let's see what we're gonna do. Okay, find your starting position. Take a deep breath in, exhale, turn to the left, inhale, turn to the right, exhale. One more time, turn to the left, inhale, turn to the right, exhale, forcefully out the mouth. One more time. Okay, let's come back through center for a second. I want you to keep your eyes open for this Kriya, to really see where you're going, to not get dizzy. This Kriya is great for opening the side body as well. Okay, we're gonna do this one more time. Place the hands on top of the shoulders, turn to the left, inhale, turn to the right, exhale. Come back through center. Close your eyes. I invite you to practice those Kriyas at least a month to start seeing the benefits of them. Pick up your speed with the time, increase your time when you do them to really fully dive into those cleansing breath techniques. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I hope that you like them.